Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color theme dialer or the call screen photo in a Vivo phone. So in here, what you need to do is open the contacts on your phone and then just select the contact that you want to change its color screen or color photo. Okay, so for example, I'm going to change this person color theme. So just click on the contact and then after that, here, just click on this pencil icon at the top. And then click on the circles in here to change the photo. And here, click on choose photo and then find the photo on gallery. Okay, just click on the photo, adjust the size. Then after that, click on the check icon at the top and click on the check icon again, and just like this, and now the color theme photo will be changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.